Why don't you just let your other guy help? You can make him, let him do it faster.
Wow, he's really excited.
Yeah, but...
You be nice.
Oh no, that's not...
Kind of reminds me of being a birthday present.
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean that's me every Christmas?
Oh, you quit being such a stinker.
They're locked together.
You guys quit bickering. Yeah.
I got it.
They are scrawny, aren't they? Like under their fur, when they push against each other, you can really see how small their skeletal system is.
He looks like he's eating the
Yeah, that's the second.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Are you guys fighting? There you go. See, James, your dad, he took care of everybody.
Just can't share, can they?
They're very skittish, aren't they?
Oh yes, foxes are pretty much very skittish.
Yep.